Hello and welcome back to Chapter 2. This is part 3 of 6 for Chapter 2. In this episode, we will cover the model dialogue. So I'll just read this and then I'll go through where you can make changes if you want to modify that to suit your styles. If you could choose any superpower, what would it be? I'd go for teleportation. Imagine skipping traffic every day. Nice choice. I'd probably pick time control. I'm always running late. Same here. But in real life, I guess my superpower is cooking. That's a great skill. Mine's probably remembering movie quotes. My friends call me the human IMDb. Haha, I need to level up my memory for that. So some of this dialogue is a bit weird and unnatural, perhaps for the way you talk, but it's trying to use the vocabulary from this section. So any model dialogue is uncomfortable because it's trying to squeeze in too much of the vocab in a very short space of time. It's trying too hard, basically. So bear with me. If you could choose any superpower, what would it be? You might want to say choose any superpowers. So you might want more than one if you want to be greedy. So we'll just add an S, right? Superpowers. What would it would then become, what would they be? Because we're talking about plural powers here. I would go for, so I'd is I would, because it's a hypothetical, I would go for teleportation. Imagine skipping traffic every day. So this is the superpower, and then this is what you're going to do with that superpower. Again, hypotheticals, so we're using the word imagine. Imagine skipping traffic every day. You wouldn't have to ride the subway or take a bus or spend your time traveling in cars. Nice choice. I'd probably pick time control. I'm always running late. Maybe they should just pick speed. They could be faster at stuff. If they're always running late, then just be fast. Get ready. I would probably pick time control. And again, the reason, I'm always running late. To improve your communication, the end of these sentences are the reasons. This is what's important. Your choice is not important. The reason why is important. It should make sense. Time control, imagine skipping traffic every day, doesn't make sense. Right? Teleportation, I'm always running late, that does make sense, so that would be okay. Same here. But in real life, I guess my superpower is cooking. Now, we've got this punctuation here is used because superpower is not a real thing. So it's superpower. Superpower is cooking. So maybe you're very good at something, like counting, right? Good at numbers and remembering, processing data, right? I'm good at listening. That's a great skill. Again, the end statement, this person's response, the end statement talks about the skill, and the next person carries on by acknowledging the skill. The same we did here. I'm always running late. Same here. Continue. You're responding to what the person said, and then you use this as a bridge to what you want to say. The bridge to what you want to say. Mine's probably remembering movie quotes. My friends call me the human IMDb. This is ha, but you might want to just go ha. You might just not want to say that at all. I need to level up my memory for that. Okay? Thank you for watching.